Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will need to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, on one of the pages, between toggles, you should have a screen recording. For me, it is added by default on the first page, but it might be on the second page for you. Anyway, once you see it, you can then tap on it. It will bring up this window, allowing you to choose what kind of sound will be recorded, and you have three different options: none, media, or media and mic. When using the last option, media and mic, I do recommend using headphones, as the device would be recording sound internally from, like, for instance, music that would be playing through the device, and then it would actually get to record it for the second time through the microphone when it's coming through your speakers, and that would create an unwanted echo effect. So that's why I recommend using headphones for that. Now, last option, show tops and touches, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. It might be distracting for instance, gameplay recordings. You can also skip the countdown once you begin it. Now, in here we have a couple options. I'm going to pause this while I'm explaining. We have pencil, so obviously when selected, you can start to draw on a screen. So there we go. We can also change the color. Then you can enable your camera, the selfie one. And obviously you have the pause and record option, which I've been using, and the stop option as the last one. Now, before I stop it, I do want to see if we have one application on here, but it looks like we actually don't. Yeah, we don't. So in any case, I'm gonna just stop the recording right now by selecting the square. And from here we can navigate to gallery. And your screen recording will be visible under pictures right at the front, but you can also navigate to albums, and in here we should have screen recording album, as you can see, in which you'll find just the screen recordings. Now you can see this dot, so that's where my finger was pressing on the display. So there we go. Now, one more thing that I'll mention is the reason why I wanted to open up Netflix and show that off is because Netflix is one of those stupid applications that have ability to block your screen recording. So if you ever experience that your screen recording recorded a fully black screen, even though you know you had something visible on your screen, then just know that this is, we can call it a feature, that applications can utilize on Android, which prevents apps like screen recording applications or screenshots from being taken in that said application. It is designed for privacy and security of yours, but it's mainly used to basically remove your ability to do something that the company wouldn't want you to do. Like, for instance, capture something that might be a proof of something, as an example. Or Netflix from being able to pirate their content outside of their application, which, let's be honest, recording a screen of TV show is the least good way to pirate it, so there are much better ways. So it's a stupid thing that only pisses people off, and I'm mentioning that because there is nothing you can do about it to suspend this kind of feature, get rid of it, or do anything to circumvent it in any kind of way. So, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.